How to share Spotify songs with sound to Instagram story. Let's get started. First, update both the apps Spotify and Instagram. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Spotify. If you find the option update, click on it. Likewise, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then what you want to do is launch a Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the song that you want to share to your Instagram story. Click on the share option given at the bottom right. Now different platform options will appear. From this list, you'll need to select the option stories with the Instagram logo. Clicking on that, you'll be directed to this page, Instagram story page. Now from here, you are able to make some changes to your story. You can add stickers, text, polls, anything you want. And once you're done, you can click on the option in your story and upload it. The song from Spotify has been shared to your Instagram story along with the sound. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.